Sam, what are you doing in the kitchen so long? Oh, why did you have to make a mess? Sam! Oh, I've got a bad feeling. Sam! What? Is that my phone with an egg? Oh.
What's up with all the yelling?
A fried egg on my phone.
Not on your phone, on a phone case. Well, you made phone cases for me with sweet treats. I wanted to give you something you like. So, I've experimented.
Oh, experimented, I see. A fried egg looks quite pretty on a phone case. But it's better to use craft materials for that. Let's clean up here, and then I'll show you something. Hi, guys. Sam has really surprised me with his idea.
But you didn't like it.
I did! But Sammy, any yummy treat ends eventually.
Yeah, it's the downside of any yummy treat.
That's why we'll make a food-themed phone case, but with which we'll be able to play for a long time.
Can this be true? Guys, I think it sounds more like a fairy tale.
It's true. Please, go fetch me a yellow balloon.
Go fetch is outdated. Today, craft materials are delivered by Slime Elevator.
Slime Elevator is really awesome, Sammy. Guys, did you guess what we'll get in the end? Did you, Sammy?
Yes! Yes, of course!
What?
A slime balloon?
No, Sammy, look at the bigger picture.
Lots of slime balloons?
No. What did you start with?
Fried eggs?
Yes, exactly. Look.
Wow! It looks just like the real thing! Susie, while you were playing with your new egg phone case, I drafted a few more fun ideas!
That's awesome! Let's do it!
The next phone case will be completely transparent!
It will? But I saw a rainbow on your draft!
Well, the rainbow will be transparent too. I'll go fetch that transparent rainbow! Sue, don't you think that our viewers can't see anything? Place a mat at least!
You're right, Sammy. Will you help me?
No problem!
And while I'm waiting for Sam and his transparent rainbow, I need to seal the ends of these straws. Be very careful with fire. You better ask an adult to help you. You should get something like this. And we need to do the same with all the straws. Done!
Susie! Here's the transparent rainbow!
Oh, that's so pretty, Sammy! You even brought a dropper!
I know what you need, Susie! I drew the draft!
And this draft is very easy to understand, as always.
Hey, keep working! I'll help!
After the straw's filled halfway, we need to seal the other end. Like this.
Like this!
Oh, Sam! So fast?
Duh! I'm a professional, Susie!
I can't argue with that. Guys, what do you think? How does Sam manage to make craft pieces so fast? And our transparent rainbow phone case is done! I can stare at the rainbow forever.
Save that for later! It's time to make our next craft!
I've got a bit of the yellow slime left. It'll be perfect for the next case.
Susie, we're not making a fried egg.
I remember, Sammy. We're making a sun.
Yes! You make the sun while I'll prepare the background. Because it's a task for the best decorator in the world!
I won't even try to argue. Guys, give a like if you also believe that Sam is the best decorator in the world. To turn a jar with the slime into a sun, we'll need a bit of golden craft foam. I'll trace our little jar and draw sunbeams. Then I'll need to cut them, of course.
La 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 la! Ha! Who draws the clouds best of all? Let me think. Well, it could have been me. Susie, here's the base for the phone case.
Great, Sammy! I'm also done with the base for the sun. The sun will also have this cap as the base to make it not only a piece of decor, but a pop socket as well. Sammy, do you think something's missing?
Additional decor?
You read my mind! Now, it's done!
I agree!
Okay, we've got a fried egg, a rainbow, and a sun. What's next?
The sea, Susie!
A phone case with a mermaid's tail! I love it! Okay, we'll make the tail from some transparent plastic. Sammy, go fetch us some glitter to fill our tail. Guys, the next step is also better done under adult supervision. We need to wrap the edge of the plastic with baking paper and run an iron over it carefully. Bless you, Sammy.
Oh, I've been selecting glitter, sneezed, and they mixed. Okay, I'll try to gather this mixture. My decorator instinct is telling me it will be beautiful. Here, Susie.
Oh, Sammy, it's so beautiful.
I told you.
Okay, let's add this pretty glitter into our tail. And then a bit of body oil. And seal it using the same method. It's already pretty, but it's only part of the phone case decor.
Here's another part, made of craft foam.
Great! Let's glue it all on. The tail onto the case. There we go! The white foam and the blue water. Ah, this is really awesome!
Susie, I'm glad you liked my ideas. I hope you'll enjoy using your phone even more and more.
Wait, Sammy, I've got one more phone case.
Oh, but I don't have any more ideas.
I do. For the last phone case, we'll need...
What?
Well, a phone case, of course.
That's a surprise.
Craft foam.
Okay.
And colorful balloons.
Ooh, that's interesting.
And also, this slime. Sammy, I'll entrust you with a very important task.
Yes, Susie ma'am, I'm listening.
Fill all the balloons with the slime, like I did with the fried egg craft.
Will do.
Only tie them, please, with this dental floss.
That's weird, but okay.
And I'll cut out a few parts from the craft foam. We won't need a template here. I'll just eyeball it. Aha! Perfect! Now we'll need some brown craft foam. Look, does this remind you of something?
A house!
Yes, Sammy, and also the balloons. Let's go ahead and glue them all onto the phone case.
Balloons in a house and balloons. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue!
We made something similar before.
Oh, that's right! It's a house from the Up movie! Guys, give a thumbs up if you saw our video about the house!
Meanwhile, I've glued the threads to the roof.
Today we made 5 phone cases. Comment below which one you like the best.
I like all of them, but the sun most of all.
That's because I drew the clouds.
Sure, Sammy. Guys, subscribe to our channel to see even more awesome crafts. See you soon. Bye-bye.